Welcome to my channel, Software on Wheels. Today I will show you how the function pre-entry climate control works on a Mercedes. If you have a combustion engine variant, what you need to do is enter the climate menu here and go to the park heating. And here you can program up to 3 timers. For example, we will activate the timer for tomorrow morning at 6:15. The park heater will burn fuel to generate heat, and this is permitted when the fuel level is above the reserve, and it will use around 0.35 liter fuel per 30 minutes. The heating will start 5 minutes before the timer you programmed here, and it will last until you start driving, or it will be deactivated after 15 minutes. Another benefit from the pre-entry climate control is, after you start driving, your motor will be warmed up more quickly. If you have a plug-in hybrid variant or battery electric variant, the preheating will be done through an electric park heater, which uses electricity to generate heat. This component has a power of 6 kW, and it will start around 10 to 15 minutes before the time you programmed. That means it will use around 1 to 2 kWh energy. Depending on the fuel or electricity price you have, the pre-entry climate control will cost you around 10 cents to 15 cents per activation. From my experience, the pre-entry climate control in a combustion engine variant is more cheaper and faster than the electric variant. But the electric variant offers more flexibility. For example, you can program a timer for specific weekdays, which is not possible in a combustion engine variant. And also in an electric variant, you can pre-cool the vehicle during hot summer days, but in a combustion engine variant, you can only start the ventilation but not the air conditioning. So now we have set the timer for tomorrow morning, so let's check out tomorrow whether the vehicle is warmed up. Good morning. So yesterday we set a timer for 6:15 and now we have 6:14. We are in the vehicle and we can see that the preconditioning is running, and also the seat heating and steering wheel heating. We can see the red LED here means that it's working now.